Hey guys, welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to see the BBC microbit in detail. So for that, we are going to visit the homepage of BBC microbit on the internet. Do not worry about this PDF. This PDF is made available as downloadable part of this lecture. So microbit.org is the website for BBC microbit. So let us try to understand what BBC microbit is. So let us get started with BBC microbit. So here you can find a lot of information about BBC microbit. So you can scroll down and go to get started, and here in the meet microbit section you can see that BBC microbit is a handheld programmable microcomputer that can be used for all sorts of cool creations, from robots to musical instruments. The possibilities are endless. So it is given on the home page of BBC microbit, okay, under the guide section. So it is quite easy to program with BBC microbit. So let us see some more stuff related to BBC microbit. So you can connect it to your Windows PC and you can upload the programs using Windows PC to your BBC microbit. Okay, and let us have a look at the specifications. So these are the specs or the features of BBC microbit. So as of now, there is only one model of BBC microbit. It has got two buttons. These are push buttons. Here you can see them. And we are going to have a look at BBC microbit in the next video lecture. So don't worry about it. So this is only the description and the specification. Now there are 25 LED lights. LED stand for light emitting diodes, and they are arranged in 5x5 matrix. So there is a USB connector which can be used to power up BBC microbit. It can also be used to connect this to a computer like Raspberry Pi or a Windows computer and upload programs to that. There is a radio and Bluetooth antenna here. We also have a processor, a compass, an accelerometer, a reset button, and a battery socket. We also have got edge connector for connecting various accessories. So here we can find a lot of information about the BBC microbit. So we are going to explore all these features during this entire course. You can even program BBC microbit with a mobile. And you can definitely get involved in the BBC microbit development and education. So now let us see the hardware details of BBC microbit. So these are the pins of BBC microbit. So here you can see 3 pins numbered as 0, 1 and 2. Then you have 3.3 volt and you have ground. So these are all named pins on BBC microbit. So rest of the pins are not named on the board itself, but they have names. And let us have a look at what these pins are. So the pins are numbered from P0 to P20. And here you can see that pin number P3, P0, P4, P1, P10 and P2, these are used as analog input. And they can be also used for digital input output. P5 and P11 are for button A and B respectively. And we have P19 and P20 for I2C. We also have P13, P14 and P15 for SPI, that is Serial Peripheral Interface. I2C stands for Inter-Integrated Circuit. So these are all communication protocols. Basically, these are all serial communication protocols. So this is all about the pin diagram of BBC microbit. So you can definitely explore this page and you can definitely find more information about each and every individual pin on the BBC microbit on this particular page. So as an exercise for this session, you can just refer this PDF and visit this URL and find out more about each and every individual pin in detail. So thanks a lot for watching this video lecture. Do let me know if you have any questions, queries or comments about this video lecture. And I will see you next time.